So here I am, sat inside the trunk of Roz, the Rolls, and today I'm going to change the brake lights. Today I'm going to try and change the brake light bulb. I'm told it's on this side, so I need to move the car cover and move it to the other side, and I've got all my tools set up. So I have to get it behind the carpet, and there's a snap there that's done. Oh, that's easy. So when you unsnap the snap, there's the thing, and it's the top one. So I guess I unscrew that. Let's find out. So it just unscrewed out. There's the old bulb. So you can see the light through the hole. That was fairly simple. Let's put the new bulb in. So this is the new bulb. This is an LED bulb. And I'm going to replace this one on this side. And I'm going to replace the other one on the other side that is still good with another bulb so that they have the same brightness. So there's the old bulb on the right and the new LED bulb on the left. And the LED looks bigger, but it still fits. And there's the new bulb in. Let's see if I can get it in without swearing. So here we are on the other side. There's the snap, and it just comes undone. Pull it back. And there's the blue one is the one I need to change, the one on the top. So this is hard to do with one hand, but you just reach in and turn it. There it comes out. There's the bulb. Yay rah. There it is, back in place. The new bulb. So now, the moment of truth. Does the stop lamp light lit when I hit the brake? It still does. Okay, wonder why it's still doing that. I wonder if it's not in tight. Well, next step, I should check and see if they're lighting. That would be the next step. Okay, with the brake not applied, both lights are off. And it appears I changed the wrong light. Okay, I thought it was this one that's out, but it's this one. Huh, okay, let's look at it again. So this is the bulb that came out that had actually burned out, and I don't know if you can see against my dark jeans there. You can see that it did blow out. There's carbon on the inside of the glass. So that's the offending bulb. And here is the LED. I took it out of the one down there and replaced that. I replaced the bulb down there with the bulb that was in there to begin with, since it was still good. This is the bulb that went bad, and I'm going to put it in. I got the panel up with a minimum of swearing, and now same again on the opposite side, so they match. So I got the panel off on the other side. Looks just the same. I'll do the same thing. I took the LED out of there and put the old bulb back in. And now I'm going to put the LED in this one, so those are the same. Okay, we're going to test it. I'm going to hit the brake light and the brake pedal. Yay! The stop lamp is no longer lighting. So let's go look at the back. So the brake pedal is depressed, and I'm not sure if you can tell, but the light is now working. They're all working now. Yay. And